Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to find your Facebook join date. For that, open your Facebook app, or you can also do that in your desktop as well. Then what you need to do is tap on this bar icon, 3-bar icon, then head to this gear button, that's our setting and privacy, and there you will see so many lists, but you need to go on this settings. That will be right below setting and privacy. Open that and go to your account center. And in this area you can see information and permission. This is that. Tap there and go to your personal details, and in this section and in this area you can find the date. Then head to your personal details, and there you can see the creation date of this account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.